Hello students. Hello students. Welcome to Study for Good. Today we will talk about symbol table. So what symbol table is? First we should go through definitions. So formal definition says that symbol table is a data structure used by compiler to keep track of semantics of variable. What are the semantics? It may be scope of variable, binding information, or any other type of semantic rule which is followed by any variable. Okay, so some of these are like variable name, function names, objects, classes, attributes, etc. Okay, now come to the attribute, means the attributes of symbol table, or you can say what are the characteristics of symbol table. So it is built during analysis phase and used during synthesis phase. I talked earlier about analysis phase. In analysis phase, basically the code is divided into some chunks, and then in synthesis phase these chunks are combined in order to make a meaningful translation for the machine. Okay, so in other words you can say it is built in lexical and syntax analysis phase and then used in other phases of compiler design. Okay, so first you should remember that symbol table was appended with all the phases in compiler. Okay, so lexical and syntax analysis phases are used for its construction. Semantic analysis is used for modification, and other stages are used for their literal use. Okay, so what it can do, it can increase compile time efficiency, and it basically stores information of variables. Okay, so what are the uses of symbol table? Tells number one, it determines scope resolution, as we talked earlier that it is one of the semantics. Okay, avoid duplication. You can say if there is already an entry in symbol table and same entry again comes, then it avoids its duplication, or it can overwrite it according to the program given by programmer. Okay, third is access of variable related information. Okay, so if any variable is stored in symbol table, then in other phases these informations can be accessed anytime from the symbol table. Next is type checking. Type checking means whether the code line is semantically correct or not. Okay, so what are the operations we can perform in the symbol table or through the symbol table? First, we can create or add new entry. You can say variable names. So like you can say in this example, you are given a serial number, a name or a value, and its type. It's simple form of symbol table. So first is to create. There are some commands, you can go through internet, you can get the commands of all these operations. So first operation is creating or adding new entry. So like I have taken name Saurabh. It is first entry. During lexical analysis phase it will be entered in this symbol table. Second is to access information of variable, means if I have these are entries, these many entries in symbol table, anytime we can access any of the entry as per requirement. Okay, third is updation. If programmer has done some program for overwriting any entry, like you can say he or she has done any type changing, typecasting, like here if I have initially stored xyz as string, then if we want to change or typecast it into character, then it can also perform updation, but it is needed only if programmer has programmed the machine for that. Okay, and the last is deletion of record, like in last case you can see third entry 19th and it's a float, we have typecasted, and if we want to delete any record we can simply delete it. according to the program given by the programmer. Okay, so these are the definition, attributes or characteristics. Okay, characteristics, uses and operations. Okay, thank you.